The LG V30 almost has it all. A great camera, speedy processor, huge OLED screen, excellent battery life, waterproofing, wireless charging, micro SD storage and the best headphone jack on a phone. The bad ergonomic quirks can make the V30 awkward to hold. You may miss some shots due to slow camera or autofocus. Carrier-specific versions come with annoying bloatware and logos. The bottom line, the LG V30 is a rock-solid alternative to Samsung's Galaxy S8 Plus and the Google Pixel 2 XL. If it fits your hands and your photographic needs, you won't be disappointed. With a new OLED screen, thinner build, improved dual cameras and a quad DAC, digital to analog audio converter, built into the headphone jack, LG's marketing it as both a luxury phone and a content creator's dream, with particular focus on videographers who can shoot pro-style log format video and audio files. In the US, the 64GB phone costs between $810 and $840 depending on cellular carrier, with an unlocked version compatible with all 4 major US carriers retailing for $830. Sprint is the exception. It sells an upgraded V30 Plus with double the storage, 128GB, and a pair of V&O wired headphones for $912.